Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a small video, very small video, and if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up because I have another envelope punch board tutorial in store for you, which I'll be sharing soon. So basically this video was inspired by the fact that I was having some problems with my envelope punch board, and it was not very smooth. It was not cutting very smoothly, so I decided to sharpen the punch, and that is what I wanted to share with you, that in case you have punches that have gone a little bit dull or are not as smooth as they used to be when you started using them initially, you can easily use the same trick that we normally use for scissors, sharpening scissors. So this is just basically a quick hack. What you can use is your kitchen foil. Just take a piece of kitchen foil, wrap it, fold it in a few times to make it a little bit thick, and then start punching using punching out shapes using your punch. So here I'm doing the punch board, envelope punch board. But you can try this technique with almost all of your punches which have gone a little dull, and you will see that the edges sharpen up a bit. This technique is very common for using sharpening your scissors. So in case you have dull scissors, use this method and just fold up your aluminum foil and start cutting strips out of using your scissors, and soon you will see that the blades have sharpened. So this hack can be used on your punches as well, and so I just wanted to share that with you, and I've tried it and it works beautifully. My punches have gone smooth now. So in case you try this hack, do leave your experience in the comments below. I love to read your comments. It's wonderful, and those comments and likes are the ones that keep encourage me to keep making these videos. I look forward to them, and I will try and reply to any questions that you have. So if you have any questions, do leave it in the comments below. Also, if you're not new to my channel, it would be and you like this video, it would be wonderful if you would subscribe, and do not forget to press the notification bell so that you will be informed every time I upload a new video. As I promised earlier in the video, that I'm looking forward to making another envelope punch board tutorial, and I will see you soon with that. Have a wonderful week ahead. Happy crafting. Bye bye.